This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Stacy Seville. Town home living at its finest. Cozy, easy, and comfortable living in desirable Stelte Park. This home features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and an attached oversized 1-car garage. Home offers an open floor plan of living room, dining room with a sliding glass door that leads to back patio, and a large U-shaped kitchen with a gas range, large pantry with shelves, and a closet for additional storage. The bedroom features an accent wall, walk-in closet, and plenty of room for an in-home office. Home is complete with central heat and air, public water, and sewer, newer laminate flooring, and fresh interior paint. HOA dues $175 per month and are paid quarterly. HOA dues pay for fire insurance, exterior paint, roof maintenance, plus front landscaping. Could be the perfect starter, vacation, investment, or retirement home. Great location and minutes away from downtown Angels Camp, an easy drive to Murphy's and close to new Melones Lake. For more information, review the details below or contact Stacy Seville at 209-566-4756.